Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching these Model 1 Solid Cream Nail Gel Sets onto some of the swatch dots so that I can put them on top of the containers. So before we get into that, look how beautiful this packaging is. It is gorgeous. So you open the box up and it's got the usage instructions right there on the inside of the box. And then it comes with a little card about the solid creams. And thank you for your order and how to clean your brush and then painting the steps, as well as some Q&A. So I just wanted to share that with you. I got these pots off of Amazon quite a while back, and I've just been so busy with everything, with different collections coming out and manicures I wanted to do, that I hadn't got around to it. But this kit came with 6 colors and a handy dandy little brush. You just turn it around and slide it on the end. So very nice size brush. So, and it's got the protector over it. So I'm going to do some swatch dots on these today. They do kind of have the color on the top, but I want to have a for real swatch dot on it. So, crazy me. They all did come with the protection little cap. So we're going to get these all open and lined up and just hop right on into it. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to use my little spark mat that I use for stamping all the time. And this is a little piece of a double-sided carpet tape. And I'm just going to try to separate it from its backing so that I can stick it to the mat. And the reason why I'm using my mat is because it will fit under my UV LED lamp. I'm going to leave it hanging over the edge a little bit so I have something to peel it off from later. It is super duper sticky, y'all. So there we go with that. My fingers are sticking to it. I got my little cabochons, and I'm going to put 6 of them out here so that we can swatch these swatch dots. This is a little different than what I normally do, but I wanted to do this for the top of the bottle, so I thought, well, why not just share it, So we've got those swatch dots out and upside down where the flat side is sticking up, and we're just going to get busy. Now the colors I got number 1, which is black, number 3, red, 7 is gray, 8 is like a mauve pink, 9 is like a really bright purple, and 11 is silver. So we're just going to get on into this. I've never played with these before, so I'm really excited about it. I don't know how well it's going to work on my swatch dots. We'll see. So I'm just going in with that first little coat. I didn't put anything else down, no base coat or anything else. We're just going to roll with it the way it is. Try to do it smooth. Wipe off the excess under the side of the pot. And then I have a little paper towel over here. I'm going to sandwich the brush between it, wipe off what I can, and then I'll break out my acetone and dip and wipe it on the paper towel to clean that brush off. I don't want to contaminate the colors. And so I'm going to put the lid back on that one and go in with the red. And I'm going to do all of them and then nuke them, as Miss Susie would say, and then I'm going to do a second coat, and we'll see how this goes. So again, I'm going to show you again. I'm just kind of putting that in the middle and swiping it, and then here's the acetone action. A little bit of dip, wipe, 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 and it when it stops showing color on the paper towel, I know I'm ready. And then next for the gray, I saw these first on Chase Murray's channel, and I was like, whoa, I gotta have those. So ran out there and bought them, and then they went into my review, swatch, share, haul bucket. So today's the day. Clean that brush off. Trying to make sure I get all the acetone off of it. I love this. This is so pretty, nice and dusty. I just think that these are really nice. I think that they're a neat idea, you know, to have them cream in the pots like that. That's just easier to handle, no flooding, no, you know, goes where you want it. And like I said, I got these off of Amazon. I can't remember what I paid for them. I will definitely leave a link down below, and you can go check it out. There might be other places you can get them from as well. It's just, you know, went all Amazon with it. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I just really, you know, if it's new and nail related, I just want to try it. I want to try it out. Oh, don't put your thumb in it, Tina. Okay, so I'm cleaning this brush off again. And I know this is maybe a boring video for some. I originally had planned on, you know, using these on my nails to demo, and I just haven't had time, so I decided before they get lost in the collection, I'm gonna at least do swatch dots on them. Ooh, that silver is pretty. Very nice. Alrighty, so I'm going to put the caps back on them and clean off this brush real quick. Get ready for the next round. So I'm going to pop these under my lamp for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Alright, hopping on into coat number 2. They're very opaque and I really like that. I am still trying to go very thin with my application because that's how I would do it on my own natural nails, so I will be doing it also that way here on the swatch dots. Very nice. And I bought this kit because it gave me like a variety of colors, and I figured that would be more in line with what most people would want if they were out, you know, looking for these. You know, you've got your basics, you've got your gray, black, red, you've got that really light pink, like office appropriate pink, and then of course silver, and then that fun purple fuchsia one. So I thought it was kind of like the best of all worlds. So that's why I picked this one. I just think it's really cool to have, you know, gel polish that's in a pot like this that's creamy. Creaminess. So I am just bumping along with these. Really digging this though. And I know I say digging this way too much as far as gorgeous too. I'm saying digging it and gorgeous way too much here lately, so I'm going to try to work on that. There we go with our second coat of that. Beautiful. It's like a vibrant plum or something. It's gorgeous. Like I just said. Oh, hold on. My pot is sticking to the sticky tape. And I'm telling you what, that is really some sticky tape. Now, I know in some countries that's what they call their, like, Scotch tape, sticky tape, but that is really sticky. Alright, so for the last one, we've got our silver. I just really think these are going to be easy to control, you know? Easy to control when you're using them. Get that lid back on, covering it a little bit. So I'm going to pop these up under the UV LED lamp for 60 seconds and we'll be right back. Okay, those are all cured and we're going to get on into the swatch dotting. Now, I normally do this differently when I'm doing it for the bottles. I normally like just take the bottle top and plop it on there and then pick it up. But with these, I'm wanting to place them on the top of these little gel pots. So I'm going to see about doing it differently. So I'm putting the dot, putting the polish on the dot, and hopefully it'll peel up nicely. There we go. And then I want to stick it up here to where I'm not covering up the number. So I think that works out really well. We'll just keep on doing it that way. So we're going to do the next one. And with this, using these cabochons, it looks like it's got the glossy top coat on top. So that'll give you an idea of what it'll look like with a glossy top coat, which I really, really like. But I like doing this so that you can see a real accurate, you can see that that red on the swatch dot looks much different than what's on the cap, that color there. So, you know, do it whatever way works for you. I just really wanted to get this done so that when they get put into my container with my other gels, that, you know, I can just open the lid and I can look down in there and see exactly what I have. Something might jump out at me and that'll be what I go with that day. These are going on really great. I'm really loving this. Love how easy this was. Of course my fingers sticking to that tape. But I love these little glue dots. They work really well. I mean, I'm not riding any of my polishes like a pony. They, you know, I have had ones pop off of polish bottles, but just push it back down. That one's getting a little wonky. Let's try to just roll it over on itself. And here we go. Ooh, that silver's really pretty. So there we go. Project completed. Yay! So here we go. Look how gorgeous that looks. They just look really good like that. I love it. I'm really happy with that. So like I said, I did buy these off of Amazon. If you're interested, I will have a link down below for you to go check them out. And there's a lot of companies coming out with these kinds of gel pots now, the creamy gels. So you might find another company that has different colors, and you might find different colors even within Model 1s. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, if you've tried the creamy gels and the pots or not. And that is it for me today. So I will see you next time. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.